Hey guys, so you are looking at my DIY TV stand. So Devin and I moved from a tiny studio apartment to this 4-bedroom house and had basically no furniture to our name. So instead of buying all brand new furniture, we decided to DIY a bunch of stuff, and this is one of our DIY projects. So I bought all of the plywood and the spindles and the table legs from Home Depot, and I recorded the whole project so that you guys can follow along and build your own TV stand also. Step 1. Cut materials. Check out the cut list that I provided. These dimensions are for a 21.5 inch by 75.5 inch TV stand. I went to Home Depot and had them cut all of the big plywood for me so that I could fit it into my SUV. I ended up splitting all of the 1.5 inch trim in half on the table saw to have 3/4 inch trim pieces. Step 2. Install plywood spacers. Drill 3 pocket holes in the top and bottom of each plywood spacer. Lay out and measure your spacers so they are an even distance apart on the long plywood piece. Screw the spacers into the plywood using 1.25 inch screws. Step 3. Install top plywood piece. Apply the same measurement to the top piece of plywood where the spacers should be. Screw in these spacers to your top piece using 1.25 inch screws. Step 4. Install spindles. Measure where you want each spindle to be on each of your corners. Our spindles are 1.5 inches in, and we made 4 marks in a circle so that we could lay out the spindles perfectly. Use wood glue and your brad nailer to nail the spindles to your plywood. After you've nailed the spindles from the top, carefully flip the entire TV stand over and nail in the spindles from the bottom. Be sure to have your nailers straight up and down so the nails don't go in at an angle and stick out. Step 5. Install legs. On the bottom piece, measure where you want to install each of the legs. We put one leg in each corner and one leg in the very center of the TV stand for extra support. Drill a 1/4 inch hole, only about a 1/4 inch deep, for the T-nuts. Take a hammer and pound in each of the T-nuts, then screw in each table leg. Carefully flip the entire TV stand back over. I ended up changing out these table legs for different legs from Home Depot, shown in the very first picture. Step 6. Install shelf. Drill 3 pocket holes in each side of your shelf. Measure where you want the shelf to be and screw the shelf in using 1 1/4 inch screws. Step 7. Install trim. Install the 3/4 inch trim around the entire top piece, bottom piece, and trim out the front and back of the middle shelf unit as well. Use wood glue and a nailer with 1 1/2 inch brad nails. Cut each trim piece at a 45-degree angle so the corners match up perfectly, and place the cut edge against the TV stand so you don't see any blade marks. Step 8. Fill cracks and nail holes with wood filler. Use the wood filler and a spackle knife to fill any gaps and nail holes. Step 9. Sand. Sand all surfaces of the TV stand using a coarse grit sandpaper, then move to a fine grit sandpaper until everything is completely smooth. Step 10. Stain or paint. Dust off any debris from the TV stand and apply your stain or paint. We use 2 coats of the Bare Ultra Pure White paint and primer in semi-gloss.